working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm free.
All she wanna do is make a brand new dance. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands.
Hey y'all, I've been gone for a while. Now I'm back. So yeah, just bear with me guys. I'm trying to get back in my videos. Like, I just be going through some stuff, and so I don't know, this new year just starting off crazy. So today I'm in a bit of a better mood. So I'm in the mood to get some content out. I know I need to get some videos on YouTube and some vlogs. So right now I'm just doing my makeup. I kind of also wanted to do like a TikTok video. I was doing what was it? The So Pretty challenge. So I'm in the process of filming that too, and so I'm just trying to get cute a little bit. It's a Friday night, you know, I'm just doing stuff. So anyways, I have this pumpkin spice makeup, what is it called? Limited edition makeup collection. I actually got this for Christmas like a year ago and haven't used it. I did start using the mascara that came with it though. I really like it, but the mascara goes right here, but it's like, well, there's a eyeshadow brush, I think, a palette, and a lip gloss. I think the only reason I haven't used everything yet was because I kind of did want to do a video or something, but yeah, it's still brand new. I haven't used any of the eyeshadows yet, but there are some really pretty colors in there, guys. Like, look at that. I wanted to do something back in October or November, you know, for fall, but it's not too late. But there's like a lot of pretty colors in there. I feel like there's even like some pinkish type colors that I feel like, you know, will look good for like a Valentine's Day look or something. You know, and they're like really shimmery, like all the colors. Well, no, not all of them. Some of them are matte. That like silvery one down there, that one looks really pretty, isn't it? It's called Dream Big. And there's like some like pinkish ones. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything like super fancy. I just want like a quick, I don't know, still something quick still. I don't know. So I already put on a little bit of light foundation. I use this Fenty Beauty foundation and my shade is 370. But I poured a lot of it out and put it in this bottle because the pump on this stopped working. So it's a pain in the butt and like very messy to have to keep unscrewing the cap and everything, you know. It's like very messy. So I had to just pour some out in this bottle so I can just still spray a little bit out. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Alright, so yeah, I already put on some foundation and whatever, concealer, all that type of stuff, and eyebrows. So I don't know, I don't even know which ones I'm gonna use yet. I don't want to go too crazy. So what about this? What about this and this? That would be like a pretty Valentine's Day look, or is that too much? They're both shimmery. This is a pretty color. I really like this. And I like my face been breaking out too, so that's also why I don't like being on camera and my face breaks out. Alright. Yeah, I'm not like a makeup expert. I just like makeup for fun. So like, you know, if I don't be doing all like the extra stuff like some of the other like bigger makeup gurus, makeup beauty gurus. I like to mostly do hair videos most of the time. So does this look good? See, this ends up looking good. It's like I'm just kind of experimenting and seeing, you know, if this is gonna look right. Because I don't really do much with eyeshadow that much anymore. It's like I just like to do basic quick makeup. Like I'll slap on like more of a neutral color on my lids sometimes real quick, and then I'm done. That's it. Like I don't be doing like all this fancy stuff, and then sometimes I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should wear a little bit more eyeshadow and do something a little more boom. Just, you know, every now and then. I don't know, I used to like to get into it, but lately I just been like, I just throw on one color. Cause I don't really like do makeup videos all like that. And even when I go somewhere, I just like to do quick stuff. Alright, does this look good? It actually looks darker than I thought it was gonna look. Like, for some reason I thought it was gonna look a little more like bright. I don't know, it's kind of like dark. Yes, but I mean, I like it because it's kind of like, it's something that you can rock though still. Like, it's not too much in your face though, right? So now we gotta see how this pink is gonna look. I want it to do that. I'm probably gonna do that more in the crease. So let's see. Find another brush, my crease brush. Yeah. Oh, I need to wash brushes and shit. Okay, so I'm gonna use that shimmery pink that I showed you. Isn't it kind of magenta looking a little bit? So we'll see.
And the scammers and the hackers. My life is like a movie, might as well be a actor. All these rappers and all these cappers, I'm just trying to stay clear from these salty crackers.
I think I like it.
The dope boys and the scammers and the hackers. My life is like a movie, might as well be a actor. We make something out of nothing, and these are the factors. Free all my niggas until that.
Okay, I want like a little light color in the corners and under the brow, I guess. So I'm gonna try the shade called So Frosty. It's that very, very light pink color. Yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. It's a white eye pencil by NYX. I like to do my waterline with the white eye pencil because it kind of helps make your eyes look more bigger and brighter, I guess. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner with this. Oh, I just bought this one. I think it's like, what is it, $2 or something. This, because I had one before this, but I needed to buy a new one because the other one was basically old or gone or whatever. But it lasted me for a super, super long time and it worked pretty good. And it's only $2, so yeah, it gets the job done. Okay, now I gotta keep. That's why I don't really do makeup videos that much. It's hard for me to do eye makeup on camera because I can't seem to get in view and focus, even with the viewfinder. Alright, so I'm gonna do the mascara. This mascara is pretty good. Should I put like some false eyelashes to put the false eyelashes on, then you only need like a thin coat because I think I'll do that. This mascara that it comes with, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This was one of the popular mascaras. I have like this teeny tiny little like beauty mark right here, but you can't really see it. But I always put like a little dot of liquid eyeliner on it so that it stands out more. I don't know. Yeah, I've been doing that for years. But it's like, it's really light, very light one. It's like, it looks more like brown, so you can't really see it, especially if I put makeup on. So yeah, I just like to do that, you know. Just a little something. Okay, so alright, so okay, so the lashes, I was gonna do these are the magnetic lashes that I used before. These are the more dramatic. So I have 2 pairs. I did videos on these, so you can go back and look at them. They're the magnetic lashes. These ones are the 3D ones, so. Alright, got the lashes on. So now it's time for the lips. So is this a lip gloss that it comes with? Ultra Plush Lip Gloss. So I don't know. This is just pumpkin spice. So I don't know what it looks like yet. I haven't tried it at all. And it smells kind of nice. Alright, so kind of has like a little bit of a frosty but very shimmery frosty. It looks nice. I think I'm probably gonna put something else on over that. But first, alright, so let me real quick do some blush and stuff. Let's see if there's anything in here that would be good for a blush. I don't know, maybe the cinnamon. I'm gonna see what that looks like real quick. Might be a good blush.
Your girl wanted me to bust. Ron Leaf, Tim Couch, get him out the seat. I'm all calling
but it's very shimmery.
Slip on traffic. Every line that I spew is a classic.
I'm gonna try this Sweet Tooth. Looks like a very shimmery, lightish pink. I'm gonna try that. It's a highlighter.
Y'all don't even feel me though.
Ooh.
Y'all really feel me though. Y'all don't even feel me though.
So the makeup look is pretty much done. I'm just trying to think, because I feel like I want to do a little bit more on the lips. Maybe like put something else on first and then put that gloss on top of it. I just think I want like a little bit more of a bolder look. But I do like the gloss. Yeah, it feels nice. Alright. A ColourPop tool. I know it's probably like really old now. But it's called a tool from ColourPop. It's a matte. But I want to try to. I don't know. I might not use this. I don't know. I want it to be like really light. Yeah, so I just blotted it so it's not as like bold, so it has a slightly sheer look. And let me see, let me do a little bit more. I just kiss my hand. I don't know, as I do that, I don't got a tissue on hand. I'm gonna go over it with the pumpkin spice gloss.
It's Michael Prodigy, the hottest producer.
I don't know.
Do I like that?
I don't know. 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 I don't know.
But the gloss really does smell good. It really smells like some pumpkin spice. It smells like pumpkin for real. Alright, I think I like it. Okay, so the makeup look is done, guys. It's done. I just gotta do my hair. So for my hair, I was thinking of just doing, like, my hair needs to be washed. It does. It's time to be washed. It's been straight for quite a while. I think I'm just gonna do like a half lip style. And yeah, I will be doing like a hair update soon. So yeah, I'll probably do another hair update video, guys. Talking about the hair situation. What we're doing with the hair. We're still on that journey, trying to get the hair to grow and all that. So I want to do like a half lip And also, I want to get a gaming channel going, because you know I like playing The Sims and stuff, but I wanted to do some other types of gaming videos. So I mean, I've been trying to have this channel focus more, like a little bit more beauty, so I feel like doing gaming is like a little too much. I don't know. I mean, I don't really like doing multiple channels, but I don't know, if I really want to do gaming, I feel like it's gotta be on another channel. I mean, some people might prefer it to just be on one channel, but at the same time, like, I'm trying to like grow my channel, and like, I'm trying to grow my channel, but it could probably be hard if your niche is not like narrowed down enough. And since my channel is not that big, we're still trying to grow, like, doing too much completely opposite type of videos could probably confuse people, confuse the algorithm and all that type of stuff. So like, most people that subscribe to my channel probably subscribe because of like the more like beauty related content. So okay, trying to think about where we want it. Alright, so this is just some pomade that I usually use when my hair is straight. It's just Murray's Superior hairdressing pomade. It's like a very hard like grease type of thing, but I use that to kind of like slick down the flyaways when my hair is straight, because if I use like gel or something, usually like gel is like water based, and then it will cause my hair to like wave up. So I just put a little bit of this, but even though my hair needs to be washed anyway, so I probably could just use some gel to slick it down. If I use like a lot, then it will just be slicked down. I don't really want to do that. I don't feel like doing that. But I'll use gel for my, you know, the baby hairs. So this is my look.
Don't give a fuck what you do, don't blow my vibe. Don't give a fuck what you do, can't blow my high. She like the girl in the song rock sand. All she wanna do is make a brand new dance. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands. She don't even kinda put the money in her hands. She is like the girl in the song rock sand. All she wanna do is make a brand new dance. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands. She don't even kinda put the money in her hands. She like the girl in the song rock sand. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands. She is like the girl in the song Roxanne. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands. She is like the girl in the song Roxanne. All she wanna do is make a brand new dance. Always spending money, yeah, people got bands. She don't even kinda put the money in her